Today, we're exploring the essential kitchen gadgets that will elevate your cooking game and make meal prep a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these tools are sure to inspire your culinary creativity. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more tips, and check the link below for more exciting content.
Number 1 is the Elite Gourmet Jar Opener. The Elite Gourmet Jar Opener is a remarkable kitchen gadget designed to simplify the often frustrating task of opening jars. Powered by batteries, this electric jar opener features a one-touch operation, allowing users to effortlessly remove lids of various sizes with minimal effort. Its automatic sizing guides ensure that it can accommodate most jar lids, making it versatile for different products, from sauces to pickles. The sleek black and gray design not only adds a modern touch to any kitchen, but also emphasizes its user-friendly functionality.
Number 2 is the Kamenstein Spice Rack. The Kamenstein Spice Rack is a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen, designed to keep your favorite spices organized and easily accessible. This spice rack features 16 clear glass jars, each equipped with chrome-plated caps that offer both sift and pour options, allowing for precise seasoning control. One of its standout features is the convenient revolving design, which enables quick access to spices while saving valuable counter space. Number 3 is the Dash Egg Cooker. The Dash Egg Cooker is a convenient and efficient kitchen appliance designed to simplify egg preparation, accommodating up to 6 eggs at a time. This electric cooker allows users to effortlessly create hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, scrambled eggs, or individual omelets with just the push of a button. Its auto shut-off feature ensures that eggs are cooked perfectly without the risk of overcooking, making it an ideal choice for busy households. The lightweight design and compact size make it easy to store, while the included accessories such as a poaching tray and measuring cup enhance its versatility.
Number 4 is the Presto Popcorn Popper. The Presto Popcorn Popper is an innovative kitchen appliance that revolutionizes the way popcorn is made, providing a healthier and faster alternative to traditional methods. Utilizing hot air instead of oil, this popper creates a deliciously light and fluffy snack that contains no saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy choice for popcorn lovers. With a remarkable capacity to pop up to 18 cups of gourmet popcorn in less than 2.5 minutes, it outperforms many microwave options and other air poppers, ensuring minimal unpopped kernels. The design features a built-in measuring cup that doubles as a butter melter, allowing users to easily measure the right amount of kernels while also melting butter for drizzling over the freshly popped corn. The chute directs the popcorn straight into your bowl, minimizing mess and maximizing convenience. Cleanup is a breeze since the popper does not use oil. Simply wipe down the base and cover after use. Additionally, the integrated cord wrap ensures tidy storage, making it easy to keep your kitchen organized.
Number 5 is the Joseph Nest Container Set, is a practical 10-piece collection designed for efficient food storage. Made from BPA-free plastic, these containers feature lockable, airtight, and leak-proof lids that keep your food fresh and secure. Their innovative nesting design allows the containers to stack neatly inside each other, saving valuable space in your kitchen cabinets.
Number 6 is the Lifewit Storage Basket. The Lifewit Storage Basket set features 7 stackable bins designed for efficient organization across various settings, including kitchens, offices, and bathrooms. This collection includes 5 large bins and 2 small bins, providing a versatile range of sizes to accommodate different storage needs. Crafted from high-quality PP material, these baskets are durable and built to last. Each bin is equipped with handles on both sides, enhancing portability and ease of use while keeping spaces tidy and clutter-free. Their stackable design allows for optimal space utilization, making them ideal for any organizational challenge.
Number 7 is the Geedel Food Chopper. The Geedel Food Chopper is a highly efficient manual hand vegetable chopper that makes food preparation quick and easy. Designed with a unique slap mechanism, this chopper allows users to effortlessly chop a variety of ingredients, including vegetables, onions, garlic, and nuts, with minimal effort. Its durable 420 stainless steel blades ensure precision cutting, while the BPA-free construction guarantees food safety. With a generous 3-cup capacity, it is perfect for preparing salads and other dishes without the need for electricity. Cleaning is straightforward as the chopper is dishwasher safe, and it can be easily rinsed underwater in just seconds. The detachable design enhances convenience, making it a versatile tool for any kitchen. Overall, the Geedel food chopper combines functionality and ease of use, making it an essential gadget for home cooks looking to streamline their meal prep process.
Number 8 is the Faberware spinner. The Faberware spinner is an essential kitchen gadget designed for salad enthusiasts and anyone looking to efficiently rinse and dry fresh produce. Its innovative design features a built-in colander and a unique draining system that streamlines the process of cleaning and drying produce, ensuring that your salads are both fresh and crisp. The spinner operates with a simple one-handed pump mechanism, enabling users to spin their ingredients dry effortlessly. Just press the green button to stop the spinning when you're done. Additionally, the non-slip base provides stability on countertops, preventing any unwanted movement during use. The accompanying bowl not only serves as a collection vessel for excess water, but can also double as a serving dish, enhancing convenience.
Number 9 is the KitchenDao Can Opener. The KitchenDao Can Opener is designed for ease of use, particularly benefiting seniors and those with limited hand strength. It features a super sharp Sandvik 12C27 blade that ensures efficient cutting with a smooth edge, preventing metal shavings from contaminating food. The oversized knob allows for effortless turning, while the soft grip handle provides comfort during operation. Additionally, this can opener includes a built-in magnet for easy lid removal, making it a practical tool in any kitchen. Its ergonomic design and durability make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable manual can opener. Number 10 is the Dash Butter Sprayer. The Dash Butter Sprayer is a convenient cordless device designed to effortlessly spray melted butter onto your favorite foods, including popcorn, toast, and entrees. With a capacity to hold up to half a stick of butter, it quickly melts and charges in minutes, allowing for easy application without the mess of traditional butter spreading. The targeted spray nozzle ensures even distribution, enhancing flavor while minimizing waste. Its compact design makes it easy to handle, and it's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience with the rich taste of real butter.